kinds of videos on Instagram, TikTok, even on YouTube, but you don't know how to create them. Well, today I'm gonna walk you through it step by step and show you how to easily create this so you can start your own YouTube channel. So we're gonna come here to Deepseek and copy the first prompt, and we're going to paste this on a Piglimit. This is the website that we're going to use to get the images. And we're gonna put our first prompt here, and then the first thing that you need to do is to come here and check if the ratios are on the right dimension. So we're gonna just click on this and then you choose the right one. If you want to use the 5.6, you click 5.6, but we're gonna use of 9.16, so we're gonna just leave it like that. And then we come here to select the model. So we're gonna use this model Flexi 1 Nail. So we're going to create 2 images so that we can have choice. So we're gonna just click on 2. Then the next step is to come here to click on this arrow so that we can allow the AI to produce or to create the images for us. Okay, so here are the results. These are so cute. We're gonna just repeat the process again. So these are the second results. Okay, then the next thing that you need to do is to download the one that you prefer. So I'm gonna just download this one, and then comes to the bed and then just select this one, download it. Okay, so the next thing is to gather the motion from these images. So we need the website that will help us, or I can say the AI that will help us, okay, so that we can turn these images into the video. So we're going to use this website. Is called the Video 2.0. So all we need to do is to come here to upload the image. So we're gonna need to upload the image that we got from the Piglimit. So we're gonna just choose the first one, and then we wait for some few seconds. The image is been uploaded. Then what we need to do is to come here to create. Then you can just go through the settings. If you are satisfied with everything that is being set for you, you can just come here to create. Okay, then we can just have a look and see the results. Let's just click on this and play. Okay, that is cute. Okay, when you are done, you can just come here to download the video, and then you can keep on doing the same process until you are done with all your images. So now the next process is to go to Canva. So let's just go to Canva, and then when you are in Canva, go to the videos, and then you click the one that you prefer. So I'm gonna click the one for mobile video, or you can even choose the TikTok one. So like this one, you can choose this one. So it doesn't matter, it's got the same dimensions. So let's just click on TikTok. Okay, so we're gonna need to come here to upload files, and then we're gonna go to downloads, and then we're gonna go to the videos that we just got, that we just downloaded. So I think this is the one. So let's just click on it and then open. All right, so we've got everything that we created. Then we can just put them accordingly. So we're gonna put the first one, which is the bed, and then we add another one. We can add this one, we can add the rabbit. So the next step is to get the sound. So we're gonna start with the first one. So we need to go to this website, the Pixabay. That's where we're gonna get the free sound. So you can just come here and then you set the sound of the animal that you need. So these are the bird sounds. Let's just listen to it. And then the one that you prefer, you can just download them here, and then you go back to Canva, and then you go to your audio, then you select the sound, and then you put them according to the images or the videos. So let's just get the fox one, let's just put it here. So these are just an easy editing. Owl, we're gonna put it the owl here. Okay, so the next part is to get the transition. Let's just click on this icon so that we can get the transition. So we're gonna need to choose the one that you prefer. So I'm gonna just choose the cycle wipe and then scroll down until you find this apply between all of the lines, and then we can just go and listen to what we have created. Okay, that sounds great. And then another thing that you realize is the images, there's a watermark on the video. So all you need to do is to let's just detach the video, and then we're gonna put it like this. We're gonna just align it, and then just make sure that we make sure that we don't see that, we don't have that watermark. We don't want to see that watermark. So we're gonna just do this for the whole images or the whole video. So we're gonna just detach on this one and then just align it the way so that we don't have that image. We don't want to see that watermark. Okay, and just like that, we've got our video in a good quality standing. So the only thing that is left now is to just come here to share, and then you download the video. I think we came to the end of our video. Up until next time, bye bye.